Hey, this is Alyssa Bryden with Virtual Heights County, and this is how to fix the bank statement tab when the bank balance does not agree in zero. So let's open up our zero account, demo account. Okay, so we're going to try to make this easy. Say you are checking your bank statement balance to your actual statement, which you should do. Try to do it at least monthly to make sure everything's okay, because obviously otherwise, if something does go wrong, things can go way out of whack. And you're looking at your statement balance as of August 14th, and you're saying, hey, wait a minute, it's exactly $8,000 even, but right here, it actually says that I have $8,315.64. Why doesn't it have the transactions that brought it down to $8,000 even? And so say you go in here and you're taking a look and you're like, oh no, for whatever reason, my bank account didn't import the August 3rd entries. So in your bank feed, this is a TAMO account, but it likely would say bank feed here instead of imported, unless you don't have a great connection. So that's going to be covered in a separate tutorial here. But if we're just actually comparing the fact that on your bank statement tab, which has a balance of $8,315.64 in zero, if it should actually be $8,000 per your bank statement that you got from your bank. So why can that happen? Well, as I said, you in this case notice that it didn't import the August 3, 2022 entries. And that can happen for a number of reasons. There can be a bank update that causes it to glitch out. It then reconnects itself, or you reconnected it, and for whatever reason, it didn't go back right to August 1st when it last had kicked out. For some reason, it missed the August 3rd date. It does happen. So you do want to kind of watch for it when the bank feeds work. They work great. But when things like this happen, you want to watch for it. All right. And the way Xero works is it doesn't import this balance. It actually is calculating this balance. So if it's not importing the transactions correctly, there's missing transactions, so the statement balance won't be correct, which is why you want to always match this balance line on the bank statement tab to your actual bank statement PDF. Okay. So what do? Well, you can import the missing transactions by going Manage Account, Import Statement. You can get a CSV template here. And what that CSV template looks like, I'm going to bring it up. Okay, I've started to create one here. So say you notice that it was just those August 3rd 3 entries. And these were the entries that day. So I put in the date, I put in the amount, I put in the payee. I didn't bother putting in the description or anything like that. We can deal with it from there. So that should work. It does give you some file format tips. Just a tip, if you are importing a full month of transactions or a period of time that is very defined, if you can get it from your bank, the OFX format is the recommended format because you will not have to play around in the CSV file to make sure everything matches and you're not converting their CSV to Xero CSV file, because you will have to put it in the format for date, amount, pay, description, reference, which may be different from the CSV import from or export from your bank. However, if you get the OFX file, there's no playing around. You can just import that. Okay, so please look for that. It can be a big time saver. Okay, so we're going to do that. We're going to import this. Click import. And it's going to give you some warnings. Okay, is this actually a payment of this amount? You say yes. That's gonna be the reference. That might be the check number in that account, and click save. And it imported 3 statement lines, 0 were duplicates. And now you'll notice that the statement balance is exactly $8,000, and that matches to your statement that you have a PDF for from, RBC, CIBC, TD, wherever the bank is that you're matching to. And that is it. That's how you import missing transaction lines and making sure that that statement balance always agrees. You can also take a look at this reconciliation report because it'll show you what's outstanding. In this case, we have a number of unreconciled items to clear through before our bank statement is matching our Xero account. All right, again, hope that helps and have a great day.